Hi,
Hey
my
guys.
name is Asher,
Hey, I'm Finch.
and today we have a robot called the PTDP.
Prototype that destroys pollution.
And so basically this robot, it will suck in pollution from here and grind it and burn it from the inside, and it will release from there.
Then, just in case it runs out of air, this will send up bubbles for a rescue mission.
Yes.
And right here is the wires. Just for extra detail.
And so this is our remote, and so this has a camera onto it right here. You can see a camera right here, and so it would also have turbojets that have gas inside and a fin, and so it will protect turtles, fish,
And animals.
in the ocean. And so that's why we built this to help to destroy pollution in the ocean. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Peace.